Hi, today I would like to show you what's a showcase page, how you can use showcase page, and how you can leverage showcase pages within your company pages in LinkedIn. If you're a marketing professional or a business owner, you might have seen these ones in the LinkedIn company pages, and you might be wondering, how can you use showcase pages within your company page? It might sound a little complex topic, but it's actually not. Let's deep dive and I'll show you my tips and tricks as an ex-LinkedIn employee. Let's get started. Hi, first of all, I would like to say welcome to my channel if it's your first time watching me. In this channel, I cover career tips, tricks, LinkedIn optimizations for personal and company brands, and much more. If you want to know more, don't forget to look at the other videos as well, which I'll be putting down to the description below. Today, I would like to show you how you can leverage showcase pages and the difference between showcase pages and company pages. So the main difference is showcase pages are purpose-built on pages. Company pages are usually generic pages where you're just publishing articles or any type of news about the company. But if you have different divisions within your corporation, and if you want to divide these corporations in different marketing teams and have them manage their own company pages that's related to the bigger scope, you can actually create showcase pages. So let me explain even more further and tell you the more basics. Showcase pages can be like something about a specific department. Let's say you're a big organization and you have a company page, and the main marketing team is managing these company pages. And you would like to create different type of company pages that's linked to that company page. Rather than creating multiple company pages, most of the corporations are creating showcase pages. So showcase pages are mostly linked to the company pages, but it's mainly managed by different marketing teams. So I'll give you an example from an educational perspective and school perspective. A school might have a company page and they are publishing about the school events, major events that's related to all the students and all the academic stuff. But if they have a showcase page, they might be talking about only engineering faculty or teacher faculty or civil engineering or anything like super specific to a specific faculty. The showcase pages are since linked to the company page. When people are coming to the company pages, they can see the showcase pages. So that's the main difference. Again, you don't need to create multiple company pages for multiple departments within your organization. You can have only one company page and you can create multiple showcase pages that's linked to the main company page. So I'm going to give you a couple examples from a bigger organization. In LinkedIn, LinkedIn has a main company page, but they have a lot of showcase pages. These showcase pages are 1. LinkedIn Marketing Solutions, 2. LinkedIn Learning Solutions, 3. LinkedIn for Good, which they do for the nonprofit organizations, and much more. So rather than creating all different departments' company pages, they are creating showcase pages. And you can even see this one in multiple different organizations as well. You don't need to be a corporation though. As a startup, you can definitely create showcase pages as well. There are 3 important points that I highly recommend you to do when you're creating your showcase pages within your company page. The first one is definitely creating a follow button for the showcase page, because when people are coming and they just want to follow that showcase page, you want people to stick with your showcase page. So don't forget to activate your follow button for your showcase page as well, because when people come to the company page, they can differentiate or they can follow both. And the second tip, that including keywords. It's really important for people when they come and visit the company pages and your showcase pages, understand the difference between showcase and the company pages. So including keywords, what that showcase pages are all about, and then including what's the audience that you are trying to reach out is extremely important. Again, coming back to my example, let's say you're a school, you have a company page, and you have a showcase page. And if that showcase page is only dedicated to the engineering students, make sure you're including more information and keywords about that faculty, that department, and specific engineering keywords. So this way, people can easily differentiate that that's a showcase page for the engineering faculty. And the third tip that I want to share with you is, when you're creating your showcase page and company pages, make sure you're cross-promoting your showcase page on the company page, because you want people, the audience, know that you have a specific section for a specific department within your company page. This way, you can increase the followers that's coming to your company pages, and they can come to the showcase pages that you are creating for a specific department. So right now, I would like to show you how you can create a company page and how you can create a showcase page. So let me share my screen with you. So the basics of the company pages are like this. So when you're creating a company page, first of all, click the work icon in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. click create a company page that you're just going to see right under in here. The third step is enter your company name and choose a URL. All company page URLs are structured as linkedin.com/company/. LinkedIn members and search engines will use this unique URL to find your page. And the fourth step is check the verification box to confirm you have the right to act on behalf of that company in the creation of the page. The fifth stage is click Create Page button. If you don't have a confirmed email address associated with your LinkedIn account, you'll be prompted to add and verify your email address. The sixth one, click Get Started on the welcome screen to begin editing your company page. A red error message may appear if you have problems editing a company page. To publish your company page, you must include a company description. It's like between 250 to 2,000 characters, including spaces, and company website URL. Keep in mind that a preview of your company page is not available. When you publish the page, it's live on your website. I would like to cover the basics for the company page now, after you complete these steps and create your company page. The best part between the LinkedIn personal profile and the company page analytics are it's totally different from each other. In your personal profile, let's say you want to do some advertising, you're only actually limited to text advertising. So it's very limited, and I can show you where the text advertisings are like. It's on the top and it's on this like right in the middle of the corner. But if you have a company page, the way that you can actually do is like you can do more and more advertising, and you have more options to your analytics as well. So you can see your reach, your unique reach, and you can even like post in different languages and show those different language posts to specific people. Let's say you're an international company and you would like to make posts in Swedish language, German language, or English language. What you can do is like you can actually select the audience, and when you're publishing in different languages, you don't need to post it to everybody else. So in company pages, you have this option, but in personal pages of LinkedIn, there's no option like that. So that's one of the main differences. One is the advertising, and the other one is the analytics between the company pages and personal pages. And of course, ShowCase pages as well. These are my tips that I want to share with you. Since we covered how you can just like use the company pages and the difference between ShowCase and company pages, so in the next video, I would like to share with you how you can create like a really compelling content marketing strategy for your company pages and ShowCase pages. In the next video, if you are interested on that, don't forget to subscribe and check out that video as well. I'm going to put that on the description below. That's it for today. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.